Eduka yobomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka cholide ili kubatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyure company nambe yemo iyo korose chirangi meyense yiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biriya bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi echo boyiko chire chichi brand ao echo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao nabondo mbabwata chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomentre nigwa amavuta yani oil na bwigo chire chia mache inyuranga chirangi chiga nigo chire kurwase chire chiri kuririke iriya gatigati wekari guri lyabantabati bwigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo bwochoganya chirangi wekabunuragani bwochoganire erangiyiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bwokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora bwikirano tutarire rero eliwe nyorere abamanyi aboigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego toka se enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eywerangene duka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyure angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simbwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500. Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Vipi, mbona mbwata hapa? Nini shida?
Unajikuta nani mshikaji wangu? Yaani unaweza ukavaa ujasiri kiasi cha kwamba unaweza kutoka na wadogo zetu kwa mada zetu ambao tunawategemea baadaye waje kuwa watu wakubwa, afu unakuja kuwachezea kirahisi. Oya, Omboi. Sikiliza nikwambie. Bi mkubwa anapata tabu kinoma noma kumsomesha ubinti. Si unanielewa eh? Mimi napambana kinoma noma na kaba huko mzee kwa sababu mdogo wangu mimi aishi vizuri. Afu boya mshamba kama wewe unakaa na pumbavu wenzako mnashawishiana kuja kutongoza dogo zetu. Hivi si wangu, naomba nikuulize. Kuna wanawake wangapi huko wanajiuza? Mpaka wengine wanatimuliwa katika madangulo. Serious, unakuja kutembea na mwanafunzi?
Bya mwanjwa omo ligeralire tukaligali ale roje tariki 12 omotienyi oigo gatano limo omwaka bwechiribu Ibere na 2025 egene Ekeonga Chinsa Ibere asenjere bwikoranu mwanjwa muligerali neritukoli abane kigima ase omuwaziri wechibesa muske John Mbadi Ngongo anyara kabaga gosoma budget yaye entangani kigima kurwanya tukabaga gochorwa na omuwaziri wechibesa gose treasury asanya kabaga gosoma budget yechibesa egose budget yo mwaka bwechiribu Ibere na 2025 chiribu Ibere na 2025 nomo eyure chiebirengo trillion inye chinuguta Ibere na kianda gose 4.29 trillion eyuanya kabaga gosoma sanya kaba gako baga chibesa gose gakurwa ebirengo byechibesa unachiraje gutumika as wizara sanya kabaga kwa wizara yechisemi ekerenge kanege chibesa chetan bilioni chimi isaro na Ibere nyaka ko batoka gochi ebirengo na ase orwango rwa gusigo sichinsemo niko cyanya kabachi konyora ebingese kurwase obwagi obubwe chibesa muno mubweka no mwanju muligerali nigo Kanza Center ye county ya Kisii gose yenyagitari ya Kisii iyugendete kwa gachu ya ego shilingi bilioni yemo ase gose egati yechinde nabo igo nigo chenyara ko bachiko kuna ebi gose ebi wango ao ase emirobuli nabo igo litukoli ya lero mwanjo murigereri nigo lire lituko lyogochengera esegi yokurwania obokoreri bw'abana gose child labor omuyiga onyarukoba gogochengerwa gose gokorekana chinsemo chia itieri nabo igokurwa chinsemo chia bokimonge bunge ya machoge bro mwanjo murigereri nigo amorobelio bubweni bwa busochaki wase enyagitari yalio kindo hayuni gati yande mwanjo murigerana koreganira magoroba yale Ekeonga Chinsa Ibere cheningongoro kwa Haron Ototo nyangiri kuranse memenyero lingakorwa Wilson Makoli na ni gati yana koreganira magoroba yale.
Equalization Fund. Mr. Speaker, to support implementation projects in the marginalized areas, 7.85 billion has been proposed as an allocation to the Equalization Fund.
Omowasiri wechibesa musike John Mbadi gosoma budget ya chimilioni 4 ne chinuguta Ibere litukolia lero ime ye bunge.
Consciously, we find so many children being involved or being engaged somehow along the value chain of this agriculture.
Omuyiga bogochengira lyogochengera okwegerera abana maminja yemirimo etabwana chinsemo chia itierio.
Tolete medical camp yokurwalia abantu baito bosa batali wakani kubasa chinde chonse ase gepindi kiama tukatanare bosyo igono torega gase wodi yabo kimonge
obweni bwa bosa koenekiwa ase enyagitari yalio kindo ime ye wodi yabo kimonge ebunge ya machoge borabu.
Karibu mwancho murigereri ya Ekeonga Chinsa Ekeonga Chinsa beto chakurwa ase ebunge nene asomo wasiri wechibesa musike John Mbadi ngongo nyako bwatoka budget ye shilingi trilioni 4 chinuguta Ibere na kianda goza 4.29 trillion ase egati yechibesa chyo mwancho murigereri bilioni 10 na Ibere 702 billion niko jabwa tukochi ase wizara yechisemi ase chibesa chyo 387 billion chanyara kwa chikobwa tukochi kochi ase Kiombe Teacher Service Commission Joko chikoli kagose wakana emishara y'abalimu nabo igo chi interns gose chikoli kwa ba aurokigwa bali bagosomero bwalimu chishiringi bilioni 5 nabo igo amasomo abosa yes chiskuru cyoboroso chishiringi bilioni 5 nabo igo junior secondary school chishiringi bilioni 25 ase ensemo ya matebu mwanju murigereri nigo omuske John Mbadi abwatoka chishiringi bilioni 5 ne chinuguta kianda gochia ase okwanekebuna abarko nguchi bali gukora amatemo abasenjera bwikiranu nabo igo nyakabaga kubwatuka chishiringi bilioni 44 gusa 4.1 billion ejijigo chikonya kabachigosira Ekiombe keliye kwena na achibe tukochesa abarko kimakitamna higher education loans board gose help muna anyara kabaka goteba muna horobotiro kubwatiro koroke.
Mr. Speaker, I have proposed a total allocation of 702.7 billion to the education sector, which is almost 28% of our entire budget. This will include an allocation of 387.2 billion to the Teacher Service Commission. The allocation for TSC will include 7.2 billion for recruitment of intern teachers and 980 for capacity building of teachers on competence-based education curriculum. Further, I have proposed an allocation of 7 billion for free primary education, 28.9 billion for junior secondary school capitation, and 51.9 billion for free day secondary education. In addition, Mr. Speaker, I have also proposed an allocation of 5.9 billion for administering the national examinations, 3 billion for the school feeding program, and 7.2 billion for the recruitment of intern teachers. I think that one I'd already mentioned, that's a repeat, and 4 billion for the technical, vocational, educational training and entrepreneurship project. Mr. Speaker, to enhance infrastructure development and provide a safe learning environment in our schools, I have proposed an allocation of 1.7 billion for primary and secondary schools infrastructure, and 1.4 billion for construction and equipping of technical training institutes and vocational training centers. In addition, I have proposed 13.3 billion for the Kenya Primary Education Equity in Learning Program and 2.3 billion for the Kenya Secondary School Quality Improvement Project. Mr. Speaker, other proposed allocations to the education sector include 993 million for research, science, technology and innovation, 41.5 billion to the Higher Education Loans Board for provision of loans to university and TVET students, and this has increased from 35 billion.
Mwanjumulire na kuboigo kubwatikana ne chinguma cha nyaka bachikwaneke nga serikali na bera chikurusia chibeza cyo chia matemu kurwese a serikali na boigo gutigira aboro kosaba iboli omosigo omonene bo koimukia gosubu wakana chibeza cyo nigo mutike John Mbadi aina kebana niko chingwana chikenda tega tie wizara ye chibeza treasury na boigo e wizara ye chisemi konekia buna ayonsi kose kwaneke buna aboro kyongonyara bare koba bakwena musomabo anana mono gokora amatemu botutukana bonde bwensi botayo kubwatikana nengwane Manchomo ligerali nigo boigo anyara kabaga kwanekia buna nigo bagochikwaneke buna amatem kunyara kabaga kwanekiwa ase skuru anamuno abarkiyo bari bagochikaranza amatem abo yomwa koiga 2025.
Examination fees for all primary and secondary school candidates, including those from well-off households, as opposed to targeting the vulnerable students in our schools. We should also explore options of making the exercise of delivering national examinations simple and affordable, without compromising the credibility of the exercise. To this end, the National Treasury is in consultations with the Ministry of Education on how best to achieve this at a minimal cost possible, including evaluating possible cost-sharing mechanisms. Mr. Speaker, the government remains committed to ensuring access to quality education for all children. In this regard, I assure the public and the 2025 examination candidate of our commitment to provide adequate funding for 2025 national examinations. The implementation of the collective bargaining agreements and funding requirements under the new university education financing model have placed significant demands on the available fiscal space. These challenges have led to cash flow pressures and a buildup of pending obligations, necessitating careful fiscal management and reprioritization. To address these evolving dynamics, the government prepared supplementary budget estimates to accommodate revenue shortfalls experienced during the current fiscal year and accommodated expenditure pressures.
Mwanchumo ligerali na boigo ase county ya Kisii and Nyamira obwagachi wenyagitali imanyikada na Kanza Center ubo babere bokugendera asegeka nigo mwasiri John Mbadi nyaka kwanekia bunani gabekire shilingi ebilioni yamo ochikwaneke munanyagitali ngwarere munenchira yamo yokurwania marwaire ali amatindi anamono kurwere bwa Kanza obo bogenderete ko mbere malia abanta bagosichi amatechi nyingi.
Various developers. Let me turn to universal health coverage. Mr. Speaker, access to quality and affordable health care through the universal health coverage program is central to this government. Towards this end, Mr. Speaker, I have proposed an allocation of Kenya shillings 138.1 billion, up from 123 billion in the current year's budget, to the health sector to support various activities and programs. This includes 6.2 billion for universal health coverage, coordination and management, 13.1 billion for primary health care, and that is up from 7.1 billion in the current year, and 430 million to provide medical cover for the orphans, elderly, and disabled persons in our society. Mr. Speaker, to lower cases of HIV, AIDS, malaria, and tuberculosis, and enhance vaccines and immunization program in the country, I have proposed 17.3 billion for the Global Fund and Kenya shillings 4.6 billion for vaccines and immunization programs, respectively. Mr. Speaker, to enhance early diagnosis and management of cancer and reduce the burden of treatment of chronic and critical illnesses among Kenyans, I have proposed an allocation of 8 billion to the Emergencies, Chronic and Critical Illnesses Fund to be managed by SHA. And this has moved from 5 billion shillings in the current budget. 1 billion for construction of a cancer center at Kisii Level 5 Hospital. 100 million to strengthen cancer management in Kenyatta National Hospital. And 100 million for expansion of comprehensive cancer treatment at Kenyatta University Teaching, Referral and Research Hospital.
Na mwanchumo ligerali asechi county niko chanyara kwa chikwana nyora chibesa ebirengo bye shilingi jibilioni chiminye 5.2 kutsa 478 billion korwa ase budget yo ase kubagerekana kusokubaga obagyo bwechibesa nigo jibyanyara ko bachikonyora jima ikatamna equitable share 405 billion jima ikatamna additional allocation 69.8 billion naboigo 7.8 billion ejide equalization fund naboigo 2.4 billion ejide amadeni ayo serikali ne yabwata guchia se county chonsi chanya ko bachikonyo jigoikia esabu ere chishiringi bilioni 53 goza 478 billion ejigo chikubwata kwa guchia se county inse iyo mwaka 2025-2026.
To support devolution, county governments will receive 405.1 billion in the financial year 2025-2026 as an equitable share of revenue raised nationally, an increase of 17.6 billion from Kenya shillings 387.4 billion in financial year 24-25. The 405.1 billion represents 25.8% of the most recently audited revenues for financial year 2020-2021, way higher than the minimum of 15% prescribed in Article 203(2) of the Constitution. In order to ensure food and nutrition security, infrastructure development, improved water and sanitation systems, among others, county governments will receive an additional 69.8 billion as additional allocations. Equalization Fund. Mr. Speaker, to support implementation projects in the marginalized areas, 7.85 billion has been proposed as an allocation to the Equalization Fund in the financial year 2025-2026, and an additional 2.74 billion to settle outstanding arrears owed to the fund.
na ase ebyombe bya serikali mwanjumurire na biro byontigo benya ko babikanyora chibesa kurwase obagyobo ase nseme bagambiro gose judiciary yanya ko bakanyora 27.8 billion ebunge nya ko bakanyora 48 billion na boigo office of the director of public prosecution yanya 4.5 billion ekyombe kalikia ko rwanya amangana yobo kurumi kenya 4.5 billion na boigo ekyombe keli gose kiganja kia national government constituency development fund NGCDF Kenya kabake kwa nyora 38.8 billion.
Good governance, intensify the fight against corruption, and entrench integrity and accountability in public service delivery. I have proposed Kenya shillings 4.5 billion for the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission, 4.5 billion for the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions, 5.3 billion to the State Law Office, and 8.7 billion for the Office of the Auditor General. In addition, Mr. Speaker, to enhance the oversight and legislative role of Parliament, I propose an allocation of 48 billion for Parliament. To enable administration of justice, I also propose an allocation of 27.8 billion for the judiciary. To promote regional equity, reduce poverty, and enhance social development across the country, I have proposed 58.8 billion for the National Government Constituency Development Fund, 9.6 billion for the Equalization Fund to finance programs in identified marginal areas or marginalized areas, and another 15.9 billion for the Kenya Devolution Support Program number 2.
Na boigo chiba sinde niko chanya kwa chikuru gochia ase ebigancha unabono chi shilingi chi milioni chi mibere mirongo tano na inye 254 million gochia aso kurwani chisegi chigenga gosachanda pest difference ti milioni mia ya mona ikomi igoro yo kurwani hamangana ya female genital mutilation na boigo gosoko saro kwa bana abanyaruka na boigo chishingi chi bilioni inye gochia se kyombegalikia ngaf ekikitanere na bajumbe abasobati kurwa ase county na boigo chi milioni chi mikianda na mirongene gochia aso kwa na ebitamba byo buchenu gochia sabana abanyaruka bakwenda chiskuru na ase egati ye binde ebinge.
Mr. Speaker, social protection services are crucial for building more equitable and resilient societies by reducing poverty, inequality, and vulnerability, as well as promoting economic growth and social cohesion. I have in this regard proposed an allocation of 41.4 billion in this budget to protect the vulnerable members of our society and promote affirmative action. This is increasing from 33 billion in the current financial year's budget. Out of this allocation, 25.1 billion will cater for cash transfers to the elderly persons. And again, this has moved from 18 billion, so it has increased by 7 billion. 8.9 billion for cash transfers to orphans and vulnerable children. Again, that's a jump of 1 billion more. And 1.5 billion for cash transfers to persons living with disability. Again, this has been increased from 1.19 billion. Mr. Speaker, the proposed allocations also includes 3.9 billion for the Kenya Hunger Safety Net Program, 450 million for the National Fund for the Disabled of Kenya. In addition, there is 600 million which will go to the Child Welfare Society of Kenya, 100 million for the Presidential Bursary for Orphans, 180 million for the Street Families Rehabilitation Trust Fund, and 90 million for the National Albinism Support Program, and finally 90 million for the National Autism Support Program. On equity, poverty reduction, women and youth empowerment. Mr. Speaker, unemployment remains one of the most persistent and challenging issues facing the country today. The challenge is not only about job creation, but also bringing the critical gap between education and employment and developing relevant skills for the modern economy. In order to empower the youth and support businesses owned by youth and women and to promote development in the constituencies, I have proposed 105.6 billion for these initiatives. This allocation includes I have proposed 105.6 billion, not million, for these initiatives. This allocation includes 10 billion for the National Youth Service, NYS, 3.6 billion to National Youth Opportunity Towards Advancement, what is famously known as Nyota, and Kenya shillings 318 million for the Youth Enterprise Development Fund. In addition, I have proposed 990 million for film development services. Mr. Speaker, to further empower our women and girls, I have proposed 353 million for the Women Enterprise Fund, 940 million for provision of sanitary towels to school-going girls, 254 million for strengthening prevention and response to gender-based violence in Kenya, 110 million for eradication of female genital mutilation, and 4 billion for the National Government Affirmative Action Fund, otherwise known as NGAF.
Na mwanchomo ligerali toko kolera kosa toko tukakuruase alianyaka wakaneki wa ime ye bunge enene ase umoje o Nairobi nigo tugerana wika Chinsa moche itierio ase umoyega omonene bugochengera lituko lyokorwania abikore byabana abake bakwegwa gosaba gutume kwa bobe ase ogokorigwe mermeri tabwenereti nigo abasae ndogosiniga Bible na boigo bonto bonse banyaka bakoboli wakonyara ko bakulinda abana tebanyaka bagutume kwa bobe ase amatukabo gose kurori tukuchia aselinde munagotumanya muri kito diponi asanya
Haso mojega buho chengara International World Day Against Child Labor mojega okorekana asegetige tielio egotoka ebunge ya Bonchari igurengene kerenga gyokona nobo semia igure yabana bake kwegwa emiremo emekongu batagwenereti.
Jina langu ni Bernard Ewae Mansa, ni hakimu katika koti zetu hapa Kisii, na leo tumekuja hapa Itirio kwa ajili ya kusherekea hii siku kubwa ambayo ni ya watoto, and hii hali ya watoto ni against child labor. Na vile tumeingia pale tumesema ya kwamba hata katiba yetu katika nchi hii yetu ya Kenya imepeana mwongozo na mwelekeo ni jinsi gani wazazi wanastahili kuchunga watoto wao na community, na hiyo ni katika kipengele cha 53(1)D.
My name is called Patrick Awini. I'm the county director in charge of the Directorate for Children's Services, and today we are here at Itirio grounds. We are celebrating the Day of the African Child and the International Day.
Okwanerenganeye ga anaimeye county ya Kisii nigo baina kyanga abana bange nigo bagenda gwetera amakongu ao
Kisii, Kericho, Nyeri and Meru one of the root causes that is being told is poverty. Kwa sababu mtoto anapokosa chakula pale nyumbani, ndio maana unapata anaenda kufanya kazi ndio apate chakula.
The responsibility from parents and caregivers of the children, because they are not able to keep constant monitor of the children under their care.
Unconsciously, we find so many children being involved or being engaged somehow along the value chain of this agriculture. For example, tea, coffee, sugarcane, banana. We have children who are being engaged, maybe plucking.
Kurwase sekta yekigambiro boigo abana chebina.
Any child matter is supposed to be processed within 6 months. And unfortunately, it takes longer than the 6 months. That is the statutory period provided by the Children Act. And because of that very reason is that, the reason is that we are few and we cannot manage the case workload. That is the very big challenge that we are facing.
Nonyana omubaro bwa bana ensengima.
And a research that has just been released yesterday indicates that 138 million children globally are still in child labor. And out of that, 70% are in agriculture.
Chinga kecho omo Deputy County Commissioner o Kisii South, Madam Grace Auma.
So today marks a very important day in the life of children. We have had issues about children trafficking, issues about defilement, issues about child labor. But in child labor, the parents or the guardians have not understood the difference between child labor and child work. And we have therefore agreed as a way forward that we'll be conducting barazas together as a team so that we advocate at the same time sensitize them.
Aseboigo serikali yaboliwe kuligereria chinyomba chile cyo waka korondo.
County government should ensure that there's a lot of control in terms of licensing, because the stakeholders in Kisii are saying that there are so many gambling machines. I think that more and more young people are being lured towards, and that is also, either affecting their schooling or affecting even the aspect for those who are doing small businesses here. So
ripoti rikataseni kia obwanchete kia Getembe kuroiga asebunge ya Bonchari imeje kaunti ya Kisii eletere na igonkoro kwa Dipon Asanya.
Na umanchu muligereri omujumbe webunge ya Nakuru Town West Mosike Samuel Arama nigo anyalikoba gakobolia omugusibwensi konyalikoba gakomubwatesia Mosike Fred Okeng Matiangi ase obochorio barnebo mwaka bw'ekirwe na 2025 kagukwana na Getembe niganyalikoba gagosegeta bonsi konyalikoba bakoba amo na gukwanira asobwa mwase bwiganyalikoba gagochichelia byonsi gosamugendero byonyalikoba gakoyenekirwa ime yorogongorwa gusiana mono ayomanyikatemuna ugosira ebyombe aho wose empowerment programs asokota yabuna nigo bikorokia amachaya gocha asomugusi mulikito Polkapokara na mange.
Omujumbo yoiga webunga ya Nakuru Town West oyo kugamba bona sentunda ya hagatatu imeye bunge yo nigo atebirenga okoremere mamone serikali nigintu gikwirira aseko genderera na wigo goteba buna ere buno mujumbe ni agendere ko bagakobase serikali iliwe kumburira amagendero gucyasa abamenyi be Chinsa mechiga asatebirenga mwaka kiri 2022 no bale asematiangi.
You must work with the government of the day. Agora bono ega o intutura proje na banda abantu matiangi mo drama ko matiangi amu da fo matiangi ene na tebia abantu ba kusina on the west 2027 otoka radio kwa ndio tobia matiangi uwiti agenda ka we shall be there to tell people to follow them out.
Nigo akiretege mirubirio yo emanyakante buna empowerment iyo gokorwamo negate babwatani nane bali baheberekerete serikali yento kolengana monera tebire nobo kabira ase agendera ko bagakogikeria gatia barayikorwa sorogongo rwa Gusii abo bakoreta magendero imeyoro gongo rwa Gusii kolengana amonere ayale ayamachaya nyina boni gagendera ko bagakogenda buligana ko babenga abo bagendera ko bakuwake tege eganga yayo Mosike Matiangi
nara ako na kwana na Matiangi nero na mataiti Matiangi na batagete William. You know that is not the person I was expecting nyakore witeka birebe amago baretera marange kwari ando Nyamira ino marange mugora marange mugwebisi ngiyo mono lya kora drabanda marange dia bantu babwate you know I was surprised that Jerusa are seguro geria kate sio mundu gukuna Fred Matiang'i birono Matiang'i was with us every day tu ago kura taro go kura that time how dare you go the via bantu na Matiang'i na teri yero ta 2027 ebi de biga ndata Kenya bono iga na ki mokora bire biyo kabiri
arama nigagendera ko bagakubore gasaku kyo magusio mwaka 2022 kweneke bunanko babare magega ya Matiang'i
yoma tena Matiang'i weta kikuranko irare oro tariko ira patia bagusibo spiwe batupa tukura sago tayo na ajalo tena huyu ya Ruto wake na Ruto wake kara de huyu ya Ruto to wake lakini ya bagusibo spi kuru Nyamira paka Kisii Ototo bagende jama eria Fred Matiang'i agote
na omwerio ye omosko yiga kurwase orugongo rwe county Nyamira nigo agendere ko baga kuburia Ibere lya gesiasa lya agendere ko bali kweneke gwemeye county yiga gwika omwerio asamo bulio mu governor we county yiga ya Nyamira muske amuski mumenya libo koba asomo stari obosio na kobaleta mo abarayibe county yiga elyo kwenekia amagenderero chinga kinera teberenga igo ale angekoye kolera serikali county ya Nyamira magenderero ekero engakiaye eraike
ego no mate moso tete ku arko banyora Nairobi eso salva ba bwate issues ba nya undo kana jabi ba ko bone ko tija ba ko ne tega teba speaker nya baro bo ndia ba ira na ba kana sense ba ngende ba ko ba tegas na ni this the right time ba onde ko era bono ega bana bara ngene ega bana His Excellency bwana Nyaribo bande ba ira sense ba ko ngendo ke ko kuna retreat bande ba berane Nyaribo jana ne speaker no yo kwa Nyabaro abaye msiendo abata issues already babwate baro robanja ne so da bakora abantu banyamire gas Nyamira ntote Nyamira no todo dra maero onyo wote tonyo rechukura anywhere page marking ne yesu
mu ligere gukorera nigo litukulia lero bubweni bwa busabwa nyarkoba buguchakirwa asenya gitari ya Liokindo ayue gotoka ime ye wodi ya bakimonge bunge ya Mwachoge burabu ase banyakoba bakuria irabuna nigo bubweni oburachikonekiwa ase amatuko atano no male bosio nigo amantabange banyakoba bwesokia nakoringambo ya mono asengencho yomurubulyo
bantu mbale basinyuru kogenda nyagitari kwancha mocha ama nyingine asengencho yobolemeru bwechibesa tokararanga lero nere buya toche tolete medical camp yokurwalia abantu baito bosa batali wakani kubasa chinde chonsi ase kipindi kia matukatanare bosio ikono otorega igase wodi yabo Kimonge amagenderera muimwe binyoro ime nekera abantu baito babwata afierengia
na ndo boigo abantu aba batabwatisha nko babale bakonyara ko ba registered na asengenje medical camp goro kyore ne nyagitari nere na willingness yokonya abantu ase Liokindo na beyond Liokindo
kebwate keregento keli ambulance gotwara ntobwate oxygen ntobwate keregento paka malioga everything paka machine chonzi njiri chire mali igo toise konyora na emergency igo tole very much prepared and we can assist na ende aseli alero ni chinga kichito chakoba e ambulance ye ngebe komanyoke binyolebi echigo flash out there is critical illnesses chira chifaite chigo sokigwa tomanya ngambara bitokubike clinic mbara bitoko lenta aturwali kusutuire bosongo turwali
nyagitari yaitu tonya tengambi yamono ya tokonyire butami ngoja tire matukaba ngombo yansire gotokonya ngotoyera maliogo twairwa maliogo na ndo sema tikwewa maliogo amange mono ayacha siri tukulia lero baigobera ibi nyagitari twatebire ngambi yamana ase njo twanse ko le change ase Liokindo yaite nyagitari twakane irimura yito undabumbi yamono ase njo kwaro kiri nyagitari yito bana ngo kinere nyarko bageke kokonya abantu bali Liokindo
nabo twatangasire tubuye twikirega gatokonyu nabo tuli na marwera tuchandita amaisa tuchandira abantu twale maire wono
mwancho mo ligera liko ikarabu to kolera amangana majasi Ekeonga Chinsa Ibere asenjera yoboy keranu njeni ngongoro kwa runo toto nyagiri kuna nsema menyerero niga korokwa Wilson Makoli na boy kuna nsema transmission niga korokwa DJ Alsan gose Kevin Ongeri kolenda senzemo ya kabere yomutimoko niga toko chikobana ya Dr. Ken Mose Onzarigo kurasi ngita World Fit Health Center tunyala gaba to koligera ya igoro yokomenya okuya kebo chenu kwa to skochia
Baraka ninjo, ninjo Getembe, ninjo Dorome, mangana mazi, bangina ninjo.
Muchina liso tana konyoroye agoja gutwara bwo yabwo amoroseri gesaku eliegera acha gutaruna banani na guchina liso wali liso mboko bare ko muntu chikuliwa ka uritaise ni uritaise ngakyo na guchina liso ngakari nke muchina liso tana konyoroye amoroseri gesaku acha gutaruna banani kona guchina liso inomo uswati yoikwale ta oyoy kente kwale te kenyanta ngekyo kenyambale kwale ta kitika kegende kenyambaranga kei muchina liso tana konyoroye agucha komoroserize kukabunera aturwe abainani imbarabi abainani imbali totararora bali utara iguru nabo abainani bali enda ntoko bamanya bakalinani yene kiekora n'umusiya dada kalibika mutu yali bainani tali bali bakarozana ime bali bona batara iguru nabo bainani nabo boneke usikire igo
Baraka ninjo, ninjo Getembe, ninjo Dorome, mangana mazi, bangina ninjo.
Eduka y'obumo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka cholide ili kubatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyure company nambe yemo iyo karose chirangi mense liga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu buriya bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi echo boyiko chire chechi brand echo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo nabondo babwata chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba isiko ya nyumba chire chikomentera nibwa amavuta yani oil na bwigo chire cha mache inyaranga chirangi chiga nigo chire korwase chire cheli burike iriya gatigati wikari guri iriya bantabati bwigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo wochogana chirangi wikabuno uraganye wochoganire erangi biga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na wokwege namuna ekala ya watagete nigo kwa yenyora bwikirano tutari rero eliwe nyorere abamanyi nabwigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomete use chire chibiasara nchibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yerotoka se enyumba ya Uhuru Complex muyumucho yigo musongo eyueranga neduka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyure angene ringi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simbetera se namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Amone